Hey TechKnowStuds, and when I say studs, I mean both students, and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. In this module, we're going to start looking at different operating systems and what they look like. There are a lot of choices out there, each one with its own advantages and disadvantages. So we're going to start exploring what are these different operating systems and what are they all about. We're going to kick this module off looking into all of the different variants that are out there. Why are there so many different operating systems? In order to do that, we're going to discuss a little bit of what a kernel is and how these different operating systems came about. What is the history of these operating systems? Then we're going to start getting into a bunch of demos. We're going to take a look at what Windows looks like and what's the difference between Windows and a Windows server. We're going to get into Linux and Unix-like systems. We're going to talk about Mac OS. We're going to get into Chrome OS and Chromium. We'll get into Cisco iOS, iPad OS, and Android. And what we're going to do with each one of those is we're going to actually look at a demo to see what they look like. What is the look and feel of these different operating systems so we get a good overall view of how these different operating systems work.